Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddle. The questions come from Germany Junior High School test. We have bracket a square plus 1 bracket square over a multiplies quantity a plus 1 square equal to 9 over 2. Find the value of a. Can you find the value? Pause the video and give yourself a try while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. While reaching the equations, we may reduction the fractions and make an equation like 2 multiplies bracket a square plus 1 bracket square equal to 9a multiplies quantity a plus 1 square, and try to find the solutions. Therefore, simplify the equation as 2a power of 4 plus 4a squared plus 2 equal to 9a power of 3 plus 18a squared plus 9a. Wow, power of 4, power of 3, so complicated. That would not be the right directions. So let's find the other approaches. Back to the given equations. Brackets a square plus 1 bracket square over a multiplies bracket a plus 1 equal to 9 over 2. Treat a plus 1 as a factor. It could be an easy way. So I'm going to generate a plus 1 factor. Then adjust bracket a square plus 1 bracket square become bracket quantity a plus 1 square minus 2a square. Multiply the fraction items. We have quantity a plus 1 power 4 minus 2 times 2a quantity a plus 1 square plus 4a square over a multiplies quantity a plus 1 square equal to 9 over 2. A great improvement. There are a plus 1 factor in this fraction. Separate this fraction to 3 separate items. It's clear to simplify it. We eliminate quantity a plus 1 square in each fraction's items. Then we get quantity a plus 1 square over a minus 4 plus 4a over quantity a plus 1 square equal to 9 over 2. It's easier to handle the equations. So we defined quantity a plus 1 square over a equal to m. Therefore, the equation becomes m minus 4 plus 4 over m equal to 9 over 2. Multiply m both sides and simplify it. We get new equation as 2m squared plus 17m plus a equal to 0. Factorize these equations. We have quantity 2m minus 1 multiplies quantity m minus a equal to 0. So m equal to 1 over 2 and m equal to 8. While m equal to 1 over 2, refer to quantity a plus 1 square over m equal to m. Substitute m by 1 over 2. Simplify the equation as 2a squared plus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. Use the formula we get a equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 4 times 2 times 2 root over 4. The value of a shows that there is no real root in a. So the answer is false. While m equal to 8, substitute m by 8. Same process, we get a squared minus 6a plus 1 equal to 0. Again, utilize the formulas. We get the root a equal to 6 plus minus 36 minus 4 root over 2. Eliminate 2 in denominator and the numerators. Finally, we get a equal to 3 plus 2 times 2 loop and 3 minus 2 times 2 loop. That's the answer. Do you find it? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.